Good evening, guys. This is the latest press release from CBSE. As you can see, the date that is of June 15, 2021. It says CBSE and AICTE jointly launch Innovation Ambassador Program. This is the name of the program which CBSE has launched newly. CBSE on 14th June 2021. They have signed a memorandum of understanding MOU with AICTE to motivate, train and engage the school students and teachers in the various initiatives for skill enhancement currently being organized by AICTE for its engineering and technology students and faculty. Now, NEP 2020 emphasize on nurturing the young students for problem solving and critical thinking at the school level. The teachers therefore shall have to become mentors and guide these young students to pursue means to continue the innovation and entrepreneurship. To strengthen the monitoring capacity of teachers, CBSE in collaboration with the Innovation Cell, AICTE, Ministry of Education launched the Innovation Ambassador Program in which the teacher from affiliated schools shall be trained on the following 5 modules. And what are these 5 modules? These are given over here. We will see one by one. That is design thinking and innovation, idea generation and ideal hand holding, intellectual property rights, products and prototype development, finance, sales and HR. Now here this is what the comment of the senior authorities on it. Dr. Abhay Jera, who is the Chief Innovation Officer of AICTE, what he said that while speaking on the online Innovation Ambassador Training Program, what he said that it can help strengthening the mentoring capacity of nurturing ideas of student. He said it will systematically foster, means develop the culture of innovation in the school education across the country. And Vice Chairman of AICTE, Professor M.P. Punia, he explained about the Students' Learning Assessment Survey and talked about autonomy, practical knowledge, assessment, innovation, Industry 4.0 and critical thinking in NEP school education pedagogically and curricular while outlining the process of making of a student vibrant, be able to plan and think. And here we have Sri Manoj Ahuja, Chairman of CBSE, what he said on this, informed about the collaborative approaches and partnership with AICTE for training program under the Atal Academy and teacher training in new areas, AI, blockchain, coding and cyber security. Mr. Ahuja said students need enabling environment in a school to undertake innovative tasks and to ideate. What is required is to mentor these students and align education with the goals of NEP 2020. Professor Anil D. Sarasbruddai, Chairman AICTE, expressed hope in the students as they learn to observe their surroundings and encourage them to innovate in schools. Dr. Biswajit Shah, Director Training and Skill, welcomed the joint efforts of the two premium institutes, that is CBSE and AICTE, and stressed upon creating innovation clubs in school for nurturing future leaders. More than 40,000 teachers participate in an online awareness program held on the Advocacy and Innovation Ambassador Program. Okay, so as here you can see, this is from the team CBSE. So this is the latest press release of the CBSE which I am sharing with you. So thank you very much for being with us and have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.